Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a BMW 3 Series guys, I'm talking about E90, E91, 92 or E93 guys. You have engine light on, maybe even transmission light on guys, and you may experiencing up to 3 codes together. Okay, I'm talking about code P1727 P0700 and code P0335. Stay with us, we will explain most likely what causes that and how simple it is to fix guys. Okay, it will take some work, but don't worry, it's not something terribly bad guys with your vehicle, and we will explain why. As you can see, we have guys more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop guys. We make at least 200 videos. On BMW 3 Series we'll have probably close to 400 or 500 videos. Why? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now another thing guys, okay, all the tools and parts that we use, check out the links in the description of the video below. We share them for your convenience. I want to go inside guys and I'll show you okay how we have the code stored in the computer. We will explain what causes that and how we fix that. You need to find the Obd port for your BMW, so let me show you where that one will be now. So now guys, you need to find on your BMW 3 Series, okay, the Obd port connector where you're going to connect your scanner. It's right here, there is an arrow, so grab it right here with your nails, okay, and pull it straight back. Now let me put that cover so I don't break it. Right here you have another cover that you need to remove. Grab it, okay, and disconnect it. Perfect, just like that. Once you guys do that, okay, I'm going to go ahead, okay, and plug the scanner guys. Now I want to explain a little bit more about the scanner that we use. It's definitely a tool that we will recommend, and definitely guys something that I will recommend to you guys. This is it, Foxwell NT650 guys. You can read engine codes, delete engine codes, and see live data for the engine computer. You can do the same thing for airbag computers, traction control and ABS, battery registry. Check out all the other functions that you have. Something really important, steering angle sensor assist guys, reset. So definitely steering angle sensor reset is one of the best functions that it supports in my opinion. So I will go to OBD here, click OBD up, but before that I forgot to tell you guys, you need to turn your ignition switch on. So if you have the push start button, don't press the brake pedal. Don't, just go ahead and press that button one time until you guys see okay your dash lights on, okay, just like that. Once you see the dash lights, okay, you're actually ready to go. Now it's going to take a little bit to communicate and establish connection and see which protocol it's going to use guys. So we'll just give it a little bit of time. It should be any minute. You can see lights are on, service engine light on. So definitely guys, problems that we have with the car. Now the codes that we have, codes found 2 codes, okay, we click OK. We have 2 modules now guys, okay, and you can scan 2 different modules, so I'll recommend to scan each one of them. The first one is module number 18. Select this one, click read codes, and I'll recommend to click stored codes guys, stored codes. Now it says manufacturer specific, please select vehicle, and we need to select BMW in our case. Okay, perfect. The code that we get, P1727 guys. Okay, P1727. What I usually do, I go back and I click pending one more time to make sure that there is no other codes. So then I'll go back and select the other module and see what we have there. Read codes, stored codes, and what we have here, P0335 and code P0700. One of them relates to crankshaft position sensor, one to transmission control system guys. So if you have all these 3 codes guys, it indicates one problem, and it is guys, okay, let me go ahead, turn the car off, pull the key out, okay, and I will show you, okay, most likely what's the scenario and how to fix that. So let me open the hood. Doesn't matter guys which engine you have, even if it's a 6-cylinder, 4-cylinder, gasoline, diesel, almost all of them will be the same way. You most likely guys have problems with your crankshaft position sensor, or a loose wiring harness, or broken wire that goes to the crankshaft position sensor, because the transmission is actually connected with the crankshaft position sensor, and if it's not plugged in all the way good, the connector, you have a loose wire or sensor that's malfunctioning, you may get even transmission light on, guys, and that's why you may end up having all these 3 codes. Now next thing you will see, guys, we'll remove the intake manifold, we will get to the crankshaft position sensor. We will have the video, okay, on our channel. It's called Bmw E90 intake manifold removal, or the video for the crankshaft position sensor is called Bmw E90 crankshaft position sensor removal replacement. You can see how to get to it. We don't want to waste your time, but next thing we'll show you guys where the sensor is and where that wiring harness is that you need to check, guys. So let's continue. So this is it, guys. This is where the wiring harness and the crankshaft position sensor is. Make sure that it's not loose, make sure that you don't have a broken wire. We have a video on the channel that explains how to test crankshaft position sensor, so check it out, guys. It will explain how to do that. So we'll go ahead, put everything together, and we'll see if that takes care of the problem now. So I got the key, guys. I reset the codes and everything, and I want to show you after we put everything together. You can see there is no engine light on, no transmission light, no problems at all. So hopefully, guys, that will help you take care of the situation. We have a brake light because we need to do a brake pad replacement. We'll have a video how to do that as well and how to reset the message. So hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and see you next time.